Okay, طلاب, for look at this one. Now the question is saying decide or determine whether this relation is a function or not. Now students, look, this input 2 has an output of 6. It doesn't have two different outputs. No, it doesn't. Look carefully. Let me make it bigger a little bit so that you see. So this input, okay, here, see, look at this input. Oops, we went to the answer. Sorry, just make it bigger, make it here bigger. Yes, so this input, which is the 2 or the -2 and the 3 or the -3, okay, they have this, they have this output. So 3, it doesn't have two different outputs. It has the same output, which is -2. I know that the -3 and 3, they share the same output. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. And the 2 and -2, they share the same output. It doesn't matter. But as long as the input, it doesn't have two different outputs, this is where the problem occurs. So for part A, it is a function. Now look at part B. Part B, it's you saying y equals -2x plus 6. Now try and insert any values or anything, or you can just go like this. You know that the y equals -2x is a graph of a straight line. Okay, now apply the vertical line test. It cuts the graph at 1 point. So this is a function because it cuts the graph at exactly 1 point. Okay, so whenever you have y equals -2x plus 6, right, like linear equations, they are all functions. Quadratic equations, they are all functions. Okay, you gotta test it and see. Okay, if it was a graph, you gotta use the vertical line test. The vertical line test will show you that if the line itself cuts the graph at exactly 1 point, then it's a function. But if it cuts at two different points, like this one, for example, look at this one. Apply the vertical line test. Look, it cuts the graph at two different points, so it is not a function. Okay, so both of these equations or these questions are functions. To check the answer scheme, mark scheme. Yes, it's a function and it's a function. Okay, because the input has one output, one unique output. It doesn't have two different outputs at the same time. Okay, let me know, Tulab, your thoughts about this question. And if you have any comments, you can go at the end of the chapter. Sorry, at the end of this page. Okay, go down up here. You have the comment section. You can write your comments, okay, like this, and the question number, and I will get back to you. All right. Thank you.